Hey guys, welcome back. We got ourselves another unboxing or an unbagging. We're gonna get right into it. What's inside is basically one of the anticipated drops of the year. It was Supreme, part of their fall drops, and I ain't gonna lie, I made sure I got something. I'm not even gonna front. I made sure I got something. So it may or may not be in my size. Who really cares, right? I kind of just bought this to kind of review it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna review it. Dang, we're hit with that Supreme sticker. I guess I opened it the right way, dude. That's what I do. So we got the Supreme sticker. Looks real good. Easy, nothing to it. I got the sweats. I got the green sweats. I got green because green's my color. Green's a great fall color. It's really good. It's this green is nice and dark. It's that nice tone of darkness too. So like once you hit it like in a good lighting, it's gonna look pretty good. And once you're in a dark lighting, it's gonna be dark as fuck. And obviously that's how lighting works, but you're gonna see the different shades this thing could take on. Green's lovely. It contrasts very good with a lot of colors, to be honest. A lot of colors. You can wear green, bro, like with a lot of shit. I don't know about the red. Low key, you can still do it Christmas, you know what I'm saying? But green with anything. Got those. What size did I get these in? These are small. Fucking small, dude. Excuse my language. A freaking small, dude. This duffel bag, little small, dude. Oh no, it's bigger. It's folded. Pardon me. Sorry. But it's folded. Obviously, I got the bag as well. A little drawstring bag. I like it. It's not too bad, right? I mean, obviously, I'm going to drop individual reviews on these. So for the shirt, I did get the Biggie shirt. I got it small. I mean, not small, but a double XL. Only because I will be keeping this one. I ain't gonna lie. But I know if I wash it, it's gonna shrink, and it's gonna have that nice oversized feeling that I'm gonna have as well, and fit my upper torso correctly as well as my lower torso, where I just want it that overlay. So like at least if I raise my hands, my little belly's not gonna show, or my butt crack's not gonna be really peeking out if I'm bending over. Like, nobody wants to see crack heels, man. No joke. Some people just don't get it. Supreme, baby. But yeah, I'll drop separate reviews on these. See what the quality's like on these clothing pieces. Drawstring bag. It's a drawstring bag, really, bro. Like, I can tell you it's not the thickest drawstring bag I've ever come across. That's for sure. I've come across thicker ones for less expensive. I mean, it's 24 bucks ain't too expensive, but for a drawstring bag, I ain't gonna lie, that's running it. I'm not even gonna front. But yeah, I'll go ahead and drop separate reviews on these. Keep a lookout for those. For sure. We're gonna find out the quality on these. I mean, through the plastic, man. Through the plastic, that shit feels soft. Real soft through the plastic. Even this feels soft through the plastic, man. Come on now, man. Look at the quality of plastic, man. Anyways, catch you guys later on the reviews. Deuce.